This video will show you how to install your new dimmer smart plug using step-by-step instructions. Before you start, download the TELUS SmartHome app on your smartphone or tablet. First, check that you're using the correct module with the 2-prong plug on the side. We recommend installing it only in an unswitched outlet, and it should be only used with a dimmable light bulb. Next, log in to the TELUS SmartHome app. Press on the More button in the bottom right-hand corner of the home screen. Select Add Device. Choose Lighting and Appliance Control. Select your smart plug from the drop-down list. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your setup. When prompted, press the button on the front of the plug to pair it with the app. The app will let you know when the plug has been successfully installed. You may now plug your appliance in. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your dimmer smart plug. You can now adjust your lamp's brightness or turn it on and off remotely using the TELUS SmartHome app. Need help with any part of this installation? Press the support button in the About section of the SmartHome app.